What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. And I had an excellent week this week. $1,700. All from GBP USD. And it wasn't all in one move. I actually, by accidentally closed one of my positions by accident. Like a moron. But yeah, like I was saying on Sunday, last Sunday, when we got this massive, like, abnormal move, like GBP USD moves like 100, 120 pips in a day is like around normal, but 300 to 400 pips in a couple of hours is not normal. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, this might be the end. Look at this monthly candle. Oh my God, look at this. Let's zoom down on this. Look at this candle so far. I mean, it has not closed yet, but look at this. I mean, it launched. It launched. Here's, yeah, so here's the pattern that we're in, right? It's correcting downwards, which is actually kind of bullish in the grand scheme of things. This is bullish, correcting down like this. And we came down and touched this trend line, but blasted through. But guess what? There was buyers there, man, and it just started pushing up. And I do think some more upside is coming in this coming week. So that's what we're going for. So, you know, I had my original position right here. This thing moved up. Little correction, moved up, and this is kind of where I was sitting at my computer clicking on buttons and by accidentally closed my position. So I went down to the 1 hour time frame, set a new order, and literally it retraced. I saved myself probably $200 or $300 right there. I got back in right there and it pushed up again. So Tuesday I had a $1,000 win. That was where I closed my position by accident. Then on Wednesday, I had an $800 win. That was this push up here. Then on Thursday, I was going for some sort of, I don't know what I was trying to do, but I took a $300 loss somewhere up in here. And then on Friday, I got back in down here going long, and I made another $200 back. So $1,700 for the week. But now, things are starting to move in the direction I was trying to trade the entire time. You know what I mean? The long-term trend for the dollar is down. And GBP USD, this is a like 37-year low. So this is obviously a great time to start stockpiling into the British pound. So, and it's actually starting to show signs of strength. And it's weird. You know, 'cause, like, it's weird how these charts like play out. You know, you see the dollar is going to move up or down or whatever. So check this out. GBP USD, what did it do? The dollar, actually first let's go look at the dollar. So what did the dollar do this week? The dollar retraced. So we had this this little pattern that we were in. You know, you can see we tested it there and then we broke out, and now we have this two-step correction back down, and we're touching where we broke out from. So we're retesting this. So more than likely early this week, you know, dollar's going to want to go up. So GBP USD should start coming back down. You know, Aussie USD, but check this out. So dollar was going down, right? Dollar was coming down this week. And GBP USD did this move up, correction, move up, right? Now look at Aussie USD. Not even close. We got a move up, little correction, and then a move down. What? You would think they would all run kind of the same, but no. Nope. So GBP USD definitely looks good. It looks like it's building strength. Definitely looks like it's building strength. It looks like we already had capitulation. So yeah, I'm long on GBP USD, and I'm going to try to continue to build into this. So where am I going to be re-entering? So I think I'm going to, when the market opens, throw a small position in right where we are, because if we go down to like the 1 hour, this is what I see. I see this little expansion here. So I think more than likely this might come up, and then we might get, so at least it'll come up to here, somewhere in here, and then we might start getting a correction back down. And once we get that correction back down, I'm going to be looking to add on to this position, and I'll show you exactly where I plan on doing this. So go back to the 4 hour. So the reason I'm going to enter this is because if it keeps going, and I'm up, I'm going to take it. And then once we get the pullback, you can see right here and right here, we came up, tested it, rejected, came up, tested it again, rejected again, and then it busted through. So it's definitely coming back down to retest this area, more than likely. So I'm thinking small position when the market opens, small position, long, right there. And then if and when it corrects and pulls back down, I'm going to keep it anyway. I'm going to keep that small position I put in. And then I'm going to add on another decent sized position at this trend line going long. And that's going to be one of the trades that I'm going to take. And then NZD CAD. NZD CAD, I did have a trade in this, but I ended up I got out at break even because, I don't know, I just wanted to see more. You know what I mean? I wanted to see something. And now I'm seeing something. So if we look at this monthly chart, we have all these touches, these respects. And look at this. To the pip, it touched. To the pip. It touched this trend line and launched off and took out highs. That's a great sign. That's a head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Yeah. This is, shoulder, swing, head, swing, and now we're coming back down into shoulder. That's what I'm thinking, but because dollar is going to be strong, probably coming out of the gate, this might not stop here. This might pull down a little bit further than you think. So I would just be prepared for that. But regardless, I'm going to put in a buy order as soon as the market opens, because you can see where price closed. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, it busted through, but then came back up right at the end of the day and closed above this line. So more than likely, we're going to test this area again when market opens, but yeah, I think this is going up. Stop loss is going to be down here somewhere below this low. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm going to give myself a bit of buffer room, though. I'm not going to go 15 pips below the low. I'm going to go a little bit more, because I think we're very, very close here. And Canadian dollar is looking pretty weak right now. Actually, yeah. Look at the Canadian dollar. It is shitting right now. We had this big move down, correction up, and now it is about to make another big leg down. So Canadian dollar looking weak. As soon as NZD, New Zealand dollar, starts to roll, and I think we're getting close here. So I mean, here's the COVID low. We're almost there. We're almost to the COVID low. So I mean, there might be a little bit more downside for NZD, but yeah, I mean, they're both kind of crashing at the same pace. So yeah, as soon as we get a little bit of strength out of this, I think this is going to be sooner than Canadian dollar. So yeah, those are the two that I'm going to be putting my my focus on for now, just chart-wise. And, you know, GBP USD is starting to, you know, build strength. We've got nice momentum now. Yeah, this is looking great. Yeah, Euro USD. It's starting to build a little bit of momentum. But we shall see. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, that's what I'm gonna go for now. We'll see how that goes for now. And yeah, I'll keep you posted. But we should have no problem making. I mean, I should have no problem making my money back that I've lost this year. Now that the market's starting to head in my direction. Plus, you know, I've been fighting the trend. I definitely have been fighting the trend because, you know, it's such an easy thing to come in here and be like, oh, I'm gonna catch the reversal point. I'm gonna try to get it at the reversal. It never reverses where you think it's gonna reverse. It always keeps going. You know, it's like, oh, it moved that much. There's no way it could keep going, but it always does. It always does. So I gotta stop fighting the trend, stop trying to find reversal points, and, you know, stick with the flow anyway. And that's kind of the reason I pulled out of NZD CAD, because, I mean, NZD CAD, the chart wise, we have this rotation now, but I don't know. It's just not there. Like NZD USD still looks bearish. But Canadian dollar also looks really, really bearish. So, I don't know. We do have a head and shoulders here, though. So, it is the probabilities game here. So, I mean, I might go for it. I may go for this. Yeah, stop loss down there somewhere. But, yeah, anyways, that's it for this one. See you later.